Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of a flexible lifestyle? This video reveals a freelance platform can transform your passion into profit. Discover the countless opportunities available to earn money online while doing what you love. Take control of your career today and start earning from the comfort of your home. Watch now and unlock your potential. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone around the world. Drop your country in the comments and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's dive in. Turn your skills into income today. Kwork is a freelance platform designed to connect skilled individuals like you with clients seeking your unique services. Kwork provides a straightforward way to showcase your skills and attract clients eager to pay for your skills. Kwork's got you covered worldwide. No matter where you're at, you can jump in and sign up as a freelancer. Unlock your earning potential with Kwork in just a few simple steps. First, create a Kwork account by signing up and listing your services. It takes less than 5 minutes. Next, receive your first order and get instant notifications when buyers choose your Kwork. Finally, deliver the completed order on time and enjoy guaranteed payments for every successful transaction. Start today and watch your income grow effortlessly. Kwork offers a compelling opportunity for both full-time and part-time engagement. For many, it serves as their main source of income, providing stability and financial independence. Meanwhile, others find it to be an ideal side gig, allowing them to earn extra money with just a few hours of commitment each week. Whether you're looking for a primary revenue stream or supplementary income, Kwork is a versatile platform that can meet your needs effectively. Your potential earnings can significantly increase based on several key factors such as your skills, specialization, speed, and rating. Consider this: top sellers are making thousands of dollars each month. With the right focus and dedication, you could join their ranks and achieve similar success. On Kwork, you won't have to worry about paid accounts or subscriptions. There's simply a percentage fee applied to completed orders. By factoring this fee into your pricing, you can ensure that you always receive the payment you desire. It's straightforward and hassle-free, isn't it? Kwork's got your back when it comes to getting paid. They make sure buyers pay up front when they snag your services. While you're busy working on the order, Kwork keeps the cash safe and releases it to you as soon as the buyer approves your delivery. After that, it's up to you whether you want to keep it in your account or move it over to your credit or debit card. Why wait? Jump on board with Kwork now and start showing off your skills to clients all over the globe. Your first project is just around the corner. Kickstart your journey to financial freedom today. Before we conclude, I genuinely want to hear your thoughts. Have you ever used Kwork or any other freelance platforms? Sharing your experience could provide valuable insights for others. Please take a moment to leave a comment below and tell us your story. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, we'd love it if you could give us a like, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future video. Catch you in the next one.